This is the sound of the future changing. Something massive is shifting in the digital landscape. It's changing how we work, how we build, and how fast we innovate. The rules are being rewritten. For months, we've been hearing the same terrifying question. Is artificial intelligence replacing programmers? Is this the end of the coder? Look closer. What you're seeing isn't a replacement, it's an upgrade. Welcome to the acceleration. Today's young creators aren't getting slower. They are building complex applications at breathtaking speed, thanks to their AI partners. The reality is, AI is transforming coding from a meticulous craft into an exponential superpower. It's the difference between coding line by line and generating complex frameworks in seconds. Productivity is hitting escape velocity. Think productivity maximized. AI takes on the repetitive boilerplate, the debugging nightmares, and the tedious setup. It frees the human mind to focus on what truly matters: abstract problem solving, design, and pure innovation. From zero to launch in minutes. This is the new reality of digital creation. This is where the excitement peaks. This is empowerment. Suddenly, the barrier to entry for building a business or launching a massive project has vanished. One person can achieve the output of a small team. Entrepreneurs, developers, and creators are launching businesses and projects faster and more efficiently than any generation before them. Coding is not a roadblock anymore. It is the fastest path to realizing your vision. So, what's next for the coder? AI isn't the end of coding. It's the beginning of the most powerful era for creators. The ultimate superpower is yours to master. Code on.